Hello and welcome, and I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I will show you how to replace fog lamps on your Porsche Cayenne in a 958 body. It is probably going to be the simplest operation or repair you will ever do on your Cayenne. It will take about 10 or under 10 minutes on one side, or just under 20 minutes if you'll decide, like me, to do both sides. You will only need two tools. It is our lovely T25 in any way or form you will decide to use it, and something in the shape of a flat screwdriver to tack underneath our liner inside of the wheel well. And then with the T25, let's take out 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to release this liner out. And that's our access to the back of the fog light. Remove the light bulb first, and then to pull the actual light bulb, you'll have to press on this guy right here, and then you pull the light bulb out of the housing. Do your homework, because if you go on eBay, there are a lot of options. One of the check marks, or actually a couple that I found. Number one, make sure it has, of course, 4 penetrations to place your fog lamp. And number two, it should be flat. Here's my Mickey Mouse fix. Even though you will be able to make them work, but as you can tell in the Cayenne, it's just flat. And for that reason, so make sure that you get it not angled, but exactly flat, just like that, parallel with the housing. So I plugged in the new one, and before putting it back together 100%, let's make sure it sits right and make sure it works. And it does. Looks very nice, clean. I think I'm going to replace this one as well, just because it's already kind of faded, beat up, so we'll make them look nice. So now everything is the same as I already showed you, only in the reverse way. Another thing to watch out for when you're shopping for this fog lamp on eBay especially is it's the point that you're buying not just a light bulb H11 55 watts, but the entire assembly. Some of the eBay sellers are a bit well, their description is a bit tricky, and if you read it you will realize, paying attention, that for about 20 bucks you're just buying the light bulbs. The actual assembly, the pair on Amazon, is about 45-50 bucks. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful or will be at some point of your life. Don't forget to like it, share it with somebody you know, and subscribe to the channel, and of course give me some thumbs up. Hope to see you again. Bye.